Hello everyone and welcome to another Web3 video. So, in this video I'm gonna introduce another, I think one of the most powerful Web3 games, or as their tweeters say, mini games, CEXP.io. So this project, it's like not going, and you need just to tap. So I have enough tap for now, and you have farm every, I think, 5 hours or 4 hours. You can farm and get the token here. You have task list, and I completed, I think, some of them. And you can invite your friend, buy crypto, make deposit and convert it. But the most important thing, that this Web3 game is based on CEXP.io crypto exchange system. So this is why I'm saying it's powerful, because it's a crypto exchange system behind it, and it's been created by this system. So you can exchange, you can trade, you can do anything in other exchange system that you do, and it supports Visa, MasterCard, or other type of payments. And it's actually crypto system. You don't need to trust other website, because it's an exchange system. You can trade here, you can buy, sell crypto, you can do anything here, like Binance, like other crypto exchange systems. And this one is more powerful than trustable than others. But as I say, always don't trust any of this project, because it may not give you the price. But the announcement said their mini app on Telegram hit about more than 10,000 players so far. The first wave still is growing. Join prepaid to be hooked. So maybe they wanna release the coin, and they wanna do it under exchange system, because they have their own platform, they have their own exchange system and application, and even you can trade with it. So it's more trustable. It's supporting even not going. You can buy and sell it, a lot of thing, and I think it's more trustable than others, because there's an exchange system behind it, and the application is so easier than other applications. You just need to tap here every, I think, 5 or 6 hours. I don't remember it at all. And you just need to tap, and you have some tasks here, invitation tasks, sign up task, and following tasks. Everything's are here, and you can farm it every 4 or 5 hours. You can claim your farming. You don't need to keep the application open. It's just gonna farm, and when it's done you can claim it and start farming again, and you have the squad here. So as I say, always don't trust any of these projects, because they may fail. But on this one, you don't need to deposit anything. You have the task to exchange or convert or buy crypto, but you don't actually need to do that. You just need to, you can use by tapping system, and I think it's more trustable than others. But check everything. The Twitter is about 1.8 million followers. This is the Twitter of the exchange system, and it's verified by official organization. Actually, it's like Verify Plus, and they're working since 2022. It's more powerful than others, so just check it with your Telegram account and play it, because there are more Web3 games on this platform. I'm gonna make a video about it, and this is, I think, more secure than others, because you got your own wallet, you got your own verified wallet, sorry, and you can actually, you should verify in this platform to trade and to buy and transfer. But for as other systems, I don't think for transferring to your tokens, you wouldn't need to verify in this exchange, or maybe they do verify on Trust wallets or some other wallets to get your reward. So it's free to start. I say do it as a hobby, not as a job, and check it just by clicking the link I put in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So I'm trying to find the best Web3 games, and I'm trying to work with them to test whatever it is. I'm trying to search to see the background, see the CEO founder or the corporation behind it, and see what's gonna happen. So thank you so much for watching this video again.